G'day. Welcome again to Nigel Motorcycle Adventures. This is just in the backyard, upriver somewhere. Just wanted to show you, this was my course and my track. That's where we are. Look at all this. Alright, it's coming up here, right? Okay, coming up here, coming up. Yeah, that's a big fucking tree. Excuse my French, but that is a big tree. So, what do? We try and go off-road. So we come up here, I've hooked it here. Oh shit, that's where I went wrong. So that was my track. Up and along there. And I've hit this sinkhole. My bike's literally fallen. Luckily, not straight down into there, but there's the bike. No joke. Here's a tree. We would have just been inside this, which that's why I'm just getting this video, because I'm not even kidding. How cool is this? We're inside a gum tree. We're literally inside the gum tree. I don't know what else is inside here, to be honest. Meant to be gold bearing ground. This is all clay here. Like that clay. So yeah, hopefully, another one coming down. Another landslide, but check this out. We are literally, I don't want to get too much in, because I used to do a bit of caving and all that stuff before. Far out. Just put a little tarp over here. We've got a shelter for the night. So there's Nigel in his little cabana. Yeah. Oh, crawl our way out, and there's the bike's there. Oh, I was going to cut to the road and head home, but then I thought, fuck it, pulled back into the bush, come back around here, and it's a big tree. Should we climb on it? Yeah, go on. Oh. Hey. Ain't no tightrope, but just been pumping the bike, and when you ride, it's the best workout you can actually ever do. Here's a tree. There's my way home. There's the bike, if you can see it, camouflaged. It's trying to be like, hey, get me off camera, man. There's Nigel. And yeah, this is out on the big tree. So out there we've got some caves and all that. And I'll walk down, and I'll walk down. Yeah, I'm not going to do nothing stupid. I'm not going to fucking fall off. That looks pretty fun going. I'm going to get back. Here we go. Adventures of Nigel the biker. Oh, I've got brand new jeans on. Oh shit. Whoa. Now we're sitting down on it because I thought I'd slide down it, and I think that's a really stupid idea because it's not a slippery dip. I've brand new pants on, or if not, I've only worn them a couple of times. I'm kind of stuck here. Here we go. Get our way down. I'll show you what I just put down. There you go. Let's try to slide down that. So, I don't know. Pretty cool. I'll show you how big this fucking tree is. With me. pretty fucking solid. Look. What am I? I'm the sloth. Alright. Enough of the fun and games. There's Nigel reporting. Moto adventures. The tree that we just almost fell into. Let's go have one more quick look at it. That's where we almost ended up. I literally fell onto there with the bike. The bike was just like... So I had to jump off this side, pull it as hard as I could, and then I pushed it. Try not to fall in there. So, till next time. Should do this one-handed. No, you need two hands to hold the straps. So I'm fucking... Who's over there? Ah, there he is. Over and out.